Guys, in this video, we are going to use Desmos to solve exponential equations. So I have this example here, which is 3 to the power of x plus 3 and 9 to the power of x. To solve an equation like that, I'm going to break this up. I'm going to say that the y on the left side, let's plot the left side by itself, which would be 3 to the power of x plus 3, and let's plot the right side by itself, y equals x power 9. And so go ahead, plug those two in, and so you have y equals 3 to the power of x plus 3, and plug the second one in, y equals 9 to the power of x. Now I had to play around with the scale in this graph to get this point, and I'll explain to you how I did that. But before we do that, you notice here we know that the graphs intersect when the x value is 3. So the answer to this is x equals 3. You might have solved it using equations in another way, so I'm going to show you that here. And so this is 3 to the power of x plus 3, and I'm going to write the 9 as 3 squared. So the 9 is 3 squared to the power of x. So 3 to the power of x plus 3 equals 3 to the power of 2x. And we know that when the two exponents are equal and the bases are equal, the powers must be equal, and that is equal to 2x. And taking the x on the other side, I have 3 equals 2x minus x, or my final answer, x equals 3. So I could have solved this example using algebra. I would have got this answer. I would have solved, if I use graphs, I can get it this way. The big advantage with the graphical method is this method of algebra works only if these numbers are nice and neat and easy to go with. But if the numbers are a little hard, like crazy numbers, then graphing method will work a little better. However, on the test, I expect you to do the problems using algebra method, but you can use the graphs to verify to see if you got your numbers correct. Okay, and this is a very useful technique for solving exponential equations. Now, working around with the scaling. So you see here there is a wrench. You click on that wrench, it opens this up. And when it opens this up, you may have to adjust the x-axis values till you see the point of intersection. So originally when I plotted it, I had to put these numbers in 2000 to bring this point of intersection into view. So be mindful of that if you don't see the graph on the screen, it means that you need to work with the scaling here to get it right. See you in the next video.